Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix system restore error shadow copy provider error in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open volume shadow copy, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Open virtual disk, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Open Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click system configuration. Uncheck load startup items, click services tab. Check hide all Microsoft services, click disable all, click apply, click OK. Third method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.